Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will explore the different ways to switch between ribbon display options, including always show ribbon, show tabs only, and full screen mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Alright, let's dive in and customize the Word document display to fit your workflow. By default, Word displays the ribbon using the always show ribbon option. However, some users may prefer to show only the tabs. To do this, simply double-click on any tab. As you can see, the ribbon now collapses, leaving only the tabs visible. If you click on a tab, the ribbon temporarily reappears, but it won't stay visible. It disappears once you click elsewhere in the document. To bring the ribbon back and keep it pinned at the top, just double-click on any tab again. In my case, I will double-click on the Home tab. Now the ribbon stays in place even when I click elsewhere. There is also a handy shortcut for this. Press Ctrl F1 to quickly switch between always show ribbon and show tabs only modes. The final ribbon display option is full screen mode. This mode is ideal for users who want to focus on their document without any distractions. To enable it, click the down arrow on the right side of the ribbon and select full screen mode. Now, the document is displayed without any tabs or ribbon elements. If you need to access the ribbon temporarily, click the three-dot menu, also known as the More Options button, in the top right corner. The ribbon will appear but will disappear again once you click elsewhere in the document. To pin it back at the top, click the More Options button, then select the down arrow again and choose either Always Show Ribbon or Show Tabs Only. I will go ahead and choose Always Show Ribbon. We have now covered everything you need to know about ribbon display options in Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.